Well, to offer some perspective on those statements from Nichols' family and the Memphis mayor, Paul Young, we've asked ABC24 political analyst Otis Sanford to join us in studio now. Thanks a lot to you, too, Otis. First, how does this impact public opinion of Memphis Police Interim Chief C.J. Davis and the chances of her getting reappointed to the position?
Well, Rudy, I think this just opens up the old wounds that were raw in this community a year ago. And certainly this is reminding people about how much of a brutal killing this was at the hands of police. And it also will remind a lot of other people that the Scorpion unit was formed after Chief C.J. Davis came on board in 2021. So I think it does not help her at all. And to the extent of whether it impacts whether she will get a permanent reappointment or not, I think that remains to be seen. I think she has to own up to this and continue to be transparent about it all.
Yeah, it's definitely going to be interesting to see how this plays into that reappointment vote and how she will even respond if she does. Well, Otis, I feel like it's been almost yesterday since we were sitting here having this discussion, but it's actually been a year and 3 days to be exact that we were sitting here with you when the initial graphic footage of Tyre Nichols' beating happened. So what do you make of the city deciding to release this additional footage to the public now? Why wait so long?
Well, I mean, obviously it had to go through the legal machinations here in order for it to be released. I think District Attorney Steve Mulroy said that they always wanted it to be released, but as long as it didn't impact the criminal cases. And we have cases both in state court and in federal court. So sometimes it takes this long for all of that to be worked out. And I think this is proper legal procedure. I'm sure Art can speak to that better than I can. But I think this is proper procedure here. Transparency is the rule of thumb here. And I kind of applaud Mayor Paul Young's statement here. He didn't say anything that would jeopardize the legal issues here, civil or criminal. But he did say we are aiming and we hope to be transparent going forward.
All right, Otis, thanks a lot for your input there. We're going to ask you to stick around, too. We want to ask you a few more questions at 6 to pick your brain about Mayor Paul Young weighing in on this for the first time since he's been in office. We'll see you at 6.